Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today also I'm going to take up this English conversation practice session in which I take up basic general conversational daily use topics and I speak on it so that you can also start practicing English speaking in this way. Guys, it's not necessary that you have to have a partner to start speaking in English. You can take up these conversational topics or questions and you can start answering that right on your own. So if you start becoming person 1, person 2, and you can start answering this question or you can start having conversation in that way. So when you start speaking in this way, it will help you to speak in English in actual real life situations. So here what we are doing is we are taking actual scenarios and we are replicating it, right? We are speaking on it as if we are talking to people in a conversation. So if you start doing this, it will help you to get fluent and confident in speaking in English in real life situations as well. So start following my tips and tricks, start following this framework which I use every single day to speak on different topics. Once you start following this, it will be automatically be there in your brain, and next time whenever you have a conversation, any topic comes up, you will be able to frame sentences, you will be able to frame your ideas, and you'll be able to speak your thoughts in the best possible way or in an organized way. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, which is very important. Start writing comments, start interacting, start exchanging your thoughts, start expressing yourself, guys, in my comment section. And do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin with the topic. Yesterday, me and my daughter were having a chit chat, and there were lots of topics which came up. One topic was, which was her favorite, she just wanted to tell me what she likes doing. And she always insisted me to stay on that topic. Whenever I changed that topic, she again came back to the topic and she wanted to tell me what all things she liked and what all things she wanted to do in her life. So, and then it struck me that why can't I take up this topic and I can speak on it so that, we all have a lot of aspirations, right? We have a lot of thoughts and minds. Even if we are busy, we just see something and we feel that if I could do this, if I could do that, right? So she's a child, her thoughts keeps on changing, and whatever she sees, she gets inspired and she wants to speak that and she wants to do that. So she had a lot of things which she wanted to tell me about, and in return she asked me about what I want to do. So we had a long discussion on this, and that is what I'm going to take up in this session, and I'm going to speak on it. So guys, this was a reference I gave how this topic came up, how we started speaking about what I like doing or what do I want to do, what are our aspirations at the moment. So the first thing we always start with is an introduction, right? We just try to bring that topic in, and how do we bring that topic in matters a lot. We cannot immediately start, saying that, I want to swim, I want to do this and that. We have to give a context here. So whenever you start something, whenever you start speaking about something, you have to give a small context about it and then jump into it. Don't get on the topic directly. So give a context. Like, for example, here, I'll tell you what context we started talking about. It's summertime and it's getting very hot every day. So afternoons are very hot. So my daughter started saying that, Mama, I want to learn swimming. Swimming is a good exercise and it will keep my body cool as well. So during my summer break, I want to learn swimming and I want to go for swimming, and I want you to come along with me for my swimming classes. So this is how she spoke about what she wanted to do during her summer vacation or during summers. Right, so this was the first thing she spoke. So the context was, it is summer, evening, afternoons are very hot. So we don't get out very frequently. We don't go out very frequently to play in the playground, right? So she came up with the idea of going to a swimming pool and to learn swimming. Now coming to the main part. Now she gave a background and she told me she wants to learn swimming. What else came up in our conversation? I'm going to talk about it here. It in this section wherein we are going to get into more details. Okay, so she said, I'm 5-year-old now. I can learn swimming and I'm very excited to go for swimming classes. I love playing in water. Can we get some toys and play with them in the swimming pool, Mama? So this was what she asked me. So this was the conversation which was going on. And then she added another thing. I also want to learn skating and karate. I enjoy watching people doing skating and karate. So I also want to learn it. It looks very easy, but I'm sure it will be a little difficult. But since now I am growing up, I will be able to learn these things. I want to give it a try. So this was what she told me. She wanted to learn swimming, karate and skating. Okay, so she wanted to use her summer break or summer vacation to learn all these things. Okay, so this is how we talk about. Now here, while having a conversation, she also asked me, you also tell me what do you want to do? To this I replied, so since I was having a conversation with my daughter, so I wanted to tell her something which she can relate to or she becomes a little happy about. So I said, well, I want to spend some time with you. So I want to do some art and craft, or I want to learn some new art and craft with you. Okay, since it is your summer break and you'll have a lot of time to spend at home. So whenever I'll be free, I'll come and sit with you and we'll do some art and craft. We'll come up with some new art and craft and we'll make them to decorate our house. What do you think about it? And she became so happy that she hugged me and she says, yes, Mama, I also want to do this with you. You have a great idea. I liked your idea. So she was very happy. Okay, so this was the conversation which we were having with each other. And then I concluded the entire thing because it was time for her to sleep then. So I concluded everything and I'll tell you how I concluded the whole thing. So I told her, well then, for this summer vacation, we have a lot of plans, right? So you'll go for swimming, you will learn karate, you will learn skating, and then we'll spend some time doing art and craft also. And it's a wonderful plan. It will keep you also busy, engaged, and you will learn something new, and we will also spend a good time together. And this is how you'll enjoy your summer vacation as well. Yeah. So that's it. This is how we had a discussion about what we want to do. Okay. So these thoughts keep on coming to us, right? I had a lot of things to talk to her or tell her about what I want to do. I want to do a certification. I want to do some more trainings or etc. etc. But she will not be able to relate to all these things. So that is why I didn't take up those, my actual things which I wanted to do, but I just told her so that she becomes happy to spend some time with her. So in this way, we all keep thinking about something or the other, that I have to do this certification, I have to do this training, I have to do some course, I want to join a gym, I want to go for some exercise, etc. We have a lot of things we keep on thinking about, like this we have to do, this we should do. Yeah, so our goals keep on shifting. So that is why I thought of taking up this topic, because these topics comes up in our conversations every day. So guys, take up this topic, think about what you want to do right now, what are your plans, what do you want to do, and talk about it. And it's always good to talk about your goals, your short-term goals, your long-term goals, so that you keep reminding yourself that this is your goal and you have to achieve it. So this is the best way to keep on reminding yourself about your goals to achieve it, right? So start working on this, start taking up this topic and start speaking on it, about your short-term goals, about what you want to do right now to achieve your long-term goal, etc. Right? You can talk about your English speaking practice also. What is your goal for this month? What is your goal for this week? What do you want to include? Right? So I've given you enough material, guys. Come on, take up this topic and start speaking on it. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.